Hey, what's going on, guys? This is my 1985 Simplicity 5211 lawn tractor, maybe high-end lawn tractor, low-end garden tractor. I guess you consider it a lawn tractor. It's a 52 centimeter deck, which is a 42-inch deck, 11 horsepower, Briggs. Really well-built machine. I'm going to show you. It's got the good old-fashioned sealed beam headlights. It's got a 5-speed, I believe, 930 series Tecumseh transmissions. It's a monster. It's one of the really well-built ones from back in the day. As you can see, these are some of the biggest solid vertical transmissions they put on lawn tractors. As I said, it was a 1985, and it's got the 42-inch deck, and it's got this extra discharge chute if you want to put that on there, and it's got all kinds of cool bells and whistles. Let me go ahead and show the engine. Even the fuel cap had the fuel gauge on it. It's kind of where you can't see it anymore. I might be able to clean that off, and you'll probably be able to see it again. If you want to, you could order another one of these gas caps that show when the fuel gets low. But anyway, it's got the 11 horsepower Briggs & Stratton flathead. It's a 399 or a 400cc engine. As you can see by the numbers, it's a 1985. It's got a really well-built big fat muffler. There's the seal beam headlights. What else is there to mention? It's got all kinds of gadgets here. Some of them I don't even know yet. It's missing 2 knobs, which I'll put back on. There's your throttle, light switch, on-off start switch, your brake pedal, your deck height lever, and then this is also something to do with the deck height, I guess the angle of it, and then I'm not sure what this one does exactly. It's related to it somehow. Over on this side you have one for, oh, I guess that's probably the engagement one, yeah, and brake pedal. Let me show you something else cool about this machine. This whole back piece flips up. Hang on 1 second. I couldn't do that with one hand because it has 2 knobs, but this whole back area flips up. Your battery goes in there, and it had a 2017 battery. I just pulled it out. I'm gonna charge it and see if it's any good. There's your solenoid, all that good stuff. So this thing closes back down just like that. That's really neat. Good tires. I just got it. It's probably gonna need some basic maintenance, like a carb clean, fresh gas. Have to see how the air filter is. It's the old-fashioned one-piece flow jet sealed air filter and carburetor. So, but it turns over and it's got compression. So this engine is definitely good. This machine will definitely mow. This thing is really well built, I can tell you that. And for a 1985, it's in pretty damn good shape too. So this was a good score. Came with a Craftsman push mower, one of them typical ones. And there's my Sears over there that I already described. And I just wanted to share it. It's really cool. I'm sure in the future I'll make a start and run video and mow of it before I sell it. But I'm happy with it. It's definitely really well built. As you can see, since it was 1985, they boasted how it had solid state ignition, because that came out in 1983. So in 82, you still had points and condenser. So this was the early years of the magnetron ignition. And so here's your shift pattern, and everything's nice and free. So this is gonna go well. The deck is model number or ID number 1690708, and the actual ID number of the machine, even though we know it's a 5211, is 1691095, serial number 001027. So 42-inch deck with an 11 horsepower. That tire is brand new, and I believe this one, I think this one might have had a slow leak. I'm not sure exactly, but you know, as you can see, very, very well built and in fairly decent condition. Once I clean it up, this should sell for a good penny. So just wanted to share that. Like I said, for more of these cool videos, just keep commenting, and subscribing, and I'll keep putting them out. I think that's, I'm pretty sure that's a 3-blade deck. So those cut really well. It even has the rollers and all that, the old school rollers. So I'm sure this thing cuts really, really well. All right, guys, thanks for watching.